If you need a tool that can hold materials securely and with precision, a bench vise is the perfect solution. These are ideal for workshops and home projects, providing excellent stability for anyone looking to work more efficiently. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best bench vises available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these vises, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Tired of struggling to keep wooden pieces steady while you work? The Olympia Tools Bench Vise is the perfect solution for all your woodworking projects. This vise is ideal for use at home, in workshops, or on job sites. Its design allows for secure mounting on a workbench using countersunk holes, ensuring your wood pieces stay firmly in place for hassle-free assembly. Built from high-quality cast iron with a durable powder-coated finish and a tensile strength of 30,000 pounds per square inch, this bench vise is made for heavy-duty tasks. It's a reliable and sturdy tool that can handle even the toughest woodworking jobs. Whether it's mounted in your garage or workshop, you can tackle your projects with confidence. Engineered for durability, this vise is a professional-grade tool that's built to last. It's not just rugged, but also a smart investment for anyone working on home improvement, garage repairs, or even industrial applications. Fixing, assembling, and problem-solving has never been easier. With dimensions of 11 by 6.5 by 3.5 inches and weighing approximately 7.7 pounds, this vise is compact and easy to handle, yet strong enough to endure daily use. It's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. With its unmatched durability, functionality, and thoughtful design, the Olympia Tools Bench Vise is an excellent choice for any project. Looking for a reliable and versatile tool for your projects? The GOEHNER'S Bench Vise is a must-have for home workbenches and small workshops. This 2-in-1 bench vise offers incredible functionality, letting you securely mount it on a workbench or use its clamp to attach it to any table. It's compact yet sturdy, perfect for those who value efficiency and convenience. With a 360-degree swivel base, you can work from any angle without hassle, making it ideal for tasks requiring multiple positions. Its smooth rails ensure easy adjustments and comfortable operation. Plus, the one-click positioning system lets you adjust the jaws with the push of a button, eliminating the need for complicated manual tweaks. The vise features a jaw opening of 2.5 inches and a jaw width of 3.3 inches, while the clamp fits tables up to 4 inches thick. This makes it perfect for woodworking, drilling, sanding, pipe cutting, metalworking, and almost any DIY task you can imagine. Crafted from high-quality cast steel, this bench vise is built to last. Its hardened jaws with an anti-slip texture provide a firm grip, giving you the confidence to focus on your projects without worry. Whether for home or workshop use, the GOEHNER'S Bench Vise is a reliable, durable, and versatile tool that will make your work easier and more efficient. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Have you ever wanted to work on your woodworking projects with greater precision and comfort? The IRWIN Bench Vise is an essential tool for anyone looking to securely hold their workpieces with confidence and reliability. This bench vise is designed to provide stability for every task. Its clamp-on base allows you to easily attach it to the top of your workbench, ensuring a firm grip that prevents any unexpected movement. Additionally, its square body design makes underbench mounting a breeze, saving you both time and effort during setup. One standout feature is its compatibility with wooden jaw inserts, offering a practical solution to protect delicate materials while you work. This makes it an excellent choice for light woodworking tasks that require extra care. With a jaw opening of 6.5 inches, this vise is ideal for a wide range of small to moderate-sized projects. Its compact dimensions, measuring 7 by 3.75 by 8 inches, and lightweight build of just 1 pound make it easy to handle and move when needed. Despite its small size, it's built to last and can withstand regular use without any trouble. This is a versatile and efficient tool that enhances the quality of your woodworking projects by offering the perfect balance of functionality and protection for your materials. It's a smart investment for any DIY enthusiast or woodworking hobbyist. Looking for a versatile and reliable tool to handle your workshop projects? The Cognitive Bench Vise is the perfect solution for achieving precise and efficient work in any situation. Crafted from high-strength ductile iron with a durable blue powder-coated finish, this bench vise is built to last. It can withstand up to 8,800 pounds of clamping force and features zinc-plated components for long-term use and resistance to wear, even in demanding environments. With a 5-inch jaw width, an equally impressive jaw opening, and a 2 5/8-inch throat depth, this vise is ideal for working with a wide range of materials, including wood, steel, plastic, and aluminum alloys. Whether you're a carpenter, assembler, or DIY enthusiast, this tool is a dependable choice for tackling any project. The 360-degree swivel base lets you adjust your work angle effortlessly, while built-in scales on the body help you position your materials with precision. Plus, its fully enclosed design protects against water, dirt, and rust, ensuring consistent performance without interruptions. Combining durability, functionality, and practicality, this bench vise is a must-have for any workshop. Its easy-to-use design and robust build make it a top pick for anyone seeking quality and efficiency in their projects. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. If you're looking for a practical and reliable tool for your home or workshop projects, the YOST Tools LV4 Bench Vise is a fantastic choice. Made from durable cast iron, this vise is built to handle tough jobs with ease. Its steel jaws and threaded spindle assembly provide a secure and stable grip, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. One standout feature is its 240-degree swivel base, allowing you to position your workpiece at different angles to suit your project needs. It also includes built-in pipe jaws, ideal for holding round materials with diameters ranging from 5/8 inch to 1 3/4 inches. This versatility makes it a great option for tasks like assembling pipes or clamping specialty parts. The base design is another highlight. With 4 mounting holes, it can be securely attached to your workbench. While mounting screws aren't included, using 3/8 inch screws is recommended for maximum stability. Additionally, the zinc-plated Acme-threaded main screw ensures quick and precise adjustments, providing an efficient and reliable user experience. Combining durability, functionality, and practical design, this bench vise is a must-have for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable tool to complete their projects with ease and confidence. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect bench vise or if there's another bench vise you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.